In the previous sections we worked with text, however we treated text as just a bunch of characters that have no meaning. For example, we search for a particular text pattern in a piece of text. For example, searching for the word was. When you do that search using regular expressions, which was the technique we used previously, you are searching for the exact word, WAS. However, that might not be enough in some application areas, such as artificial intelligence. In those scenarios, you might want to do more intelligent searches. So to follow this example, in this case, you'd also want to return a match if the text does not contain the words was, but another form of that word. For example, is. So those two verbs come from the same root, the verb be. So in artificial intelligence applications such as chatbots, for example, you'd want to consider those words as similar. And this is where natural language processing comes in. It is a technique that takes into consideration the meaning of the words and doesn't just look at the words as a sequence of characters. So in this section you learn how to perform natural language processing in Python, and you learn all the top libraries that are needed to process natural language. And after this section you'll apply the knowledge to build a chatbot that answers questions by getting information from Wikipedia articles. So it's quite an exciting app and very interesting videos. So thank you, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Get ready for this.